Oh, cool. It really looks like my home. Okay. I'd like to receive medical care at Seoul National University Hospital. So, today, let's take a look at how you can book an appointment at SNUH. As a foreigner who isn't covered under the Korean National Health Insurance System, you can make an outpatient appointment at a tertiary hospital without a referral letter. All right, let's first take a look at the Seoul National University Hospital website. Before making an appointment, we'll check the International Healthcare Center's contact information and guidance page on the SNUH website. So, on the English version of the website, I can clearly see the International Healthcare Center's phone number. Super easy to find. Here are the phone number, fax, email, and even social media channels. So it looks like you can contact them in 3 ways: by phone, by email, or through social media. Well, since we're here, let me try calling them right now.
Hello, this is Seoul National University Hospital International Healthcare Center. How may I assist you?
I'd like to receive a consultation. Is it possible to make a reservation?
Yes, of course. Could you please provide me with your full name, date of birth, gender, passport number, passport expiration date, please? If you already have a local contact number or an address where you'll be staying in Korea, please share this with us.
Sure. My name is Mitch. My date of birth is September 7th, 1989.
Thank you. Do you have a symptom or any existing diagnosis?
I was diagnosed with arrhythmia, and I have my medical records in English.
That's great. Please send us your medical records to international@snuh.org.
Sure, wait a second, please. Yeah. So, international at SNUH.
Once we review them, I'll assign you with the most appropriate department and inform you with the available dates. When do you wish to make an appointment?
I would like to schedule my appointment for December 24th.
Perfect. We'll check the schedule and reply you by email.
Thank you.
Thank you as well. Have a wonderful day.
Oh, wait. Is the reservation process different for someone who already has a diagnosis compared to someone who only has symptoms?
Yes, that's correct. If you have a confirmed diagnosis from a previous hospital, we can assign you directly with a relevant specialty clinic. However, if you don't, you'll be seen with the International Healthcare Center doctor first for initial assessment, and we'll refer you to the specialist if needed.
I see. So with a diagnosis, straight to the specialist. With symptoms only, first visit the International Healthcare Center. That makes perfect sense. Thank you so much.
Thank you for calling. Bye. Have a great day.
All right, let's move on to the second method, email. I see they provide different email addresses depending on the language. Looks like there are separate coordinators for each language group. Okay, let's get started. Okay, hello. I am currently living overseas and would like to receive medical care at Seoul National University Hospital. Okay, now, full name, date of birth, gender, okay. For the passport number too, passport number and expected arrival in Korea, so it's the same day, current symptoms, so they're asking for my current symptoms. I would like to receive medical care for arrhythmia symptoms. Okay, now we're gonna add some attachments. My English medical records, yeah, from my previous hospital. Lastly, if possible, I would like to schedule an appointment between 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. Send. I get a bit shy making phone calls, so it feels a little awkward for me. That's why I like using social media. It's so much more comfortable. You can even contact them through various social media platforms like KakaoTalk, WeChat, or WhatsApp. Oh, And on the SNUH Global website, you can also fill out a simple online form to request an appointment. If you submit it in advance, a coordinator will review it and contact you afterward. So this might be another helpful option to keep in mind. Today, we explored 3 different ways to make an appointment at SNUH from overseas. All right then, time for me to get ready to go to the hospital. Goodbye everybody, and see you at Seoul National University Hospital.